Hey everyone, Raysa Molina here. Welcome back to Land Design Academy. Today we're talking about a mistake that can derail a commercial project before it even opens in proper pruning. I've seen too many Florida properties hit with massive fines for pruning more than 25% of a canopy without approval. In our industry, we call it hat racking. But to a code enforcement officer, it's arboricultural malpractice. If you're a designer or contractor, a single bad cut is a legal liability for your reputation. Local ordinances in counties like Palm Beach and Broward strictly prohibit hat racking, while Florida Statute 163.045 covers residential removals for unacceptable risk. It is not a free pass to ignore pruning standards. Most Florida municipalities enforce ANSI A300 standards. Removing more than 25% of a mature tree's foliage in one season is an automatic violation. In the Tallahassee area, pruning protected species incorrectly can trigger fines starting at $500 per tree, plus mandatory mitigation. Hurricane pruning is a myth. Hat racking creates weakly attached epicormic sprouts that fail in high winds. Before the saws hit the site, get a signed plan from an ISA certified arborist. It's your only shield. Industry frequent questions and answers. Can I prune 50% if the client insists? No. ANSI A300 standards apply. You are liable for tree abuse regardless of demands. Does FS 163.045 allow permit-free pruning? Only if an ISA arborist documents an unacceptable risk. Healthy trees still require local compliance. What if I hat rack a code-required tree? It voids the landscape credit. You likely replace the tree to keep the certificate of occupancy. Don't let a clean look turn into a code lien. If you find this technical brief helpful, hit subscribe for our weekly Florida code updates. Let's keep our landscapes compliant and resilient. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next brief.